Hey everyone, my name is Will. I'm with the RV Wholesaler Service Department, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to read the DOT number, or the data manufacturer on your tires. So if you come right down here, so if you follow your tire along here, you're going to see this this small code here. It's going to be a DOT number right here at the end. So what this means, you have a 3819. That means that's going to be the 38th week of 2019. That's when these were manufactured. Now, if you do not know, all tires, all road-going tires, I should say, have a shelf life of 6 years. That's whether or not they're in your barn or on a shelf or being used. They still have a shelf life of 6 years. So once you get about close to that mark, you're going to want to look into getting some new tires. If you have any other questions, you can always give us a call at 877-877-4494.